Okay, let's stop haggling over price and start using a real data-driven strategy. Just asking for a lower price, it almost never works. In fact, it can really hurt you.
So here's the big shift. We're moving from a fight over price to solving a problem together.
Basically, you set a price goal, then ask the factory how to build the product to meet it.
Okay, first things first. You gotta do your homework. Your target price can't just be a random number.
You need this stuff ready to go. It shows the factory that you're a pro, not a time waster.
Look at this breakdown. See how much is fabric. That's where you have the most power to negotiate.
All right, you've done the prep work. Now let's talk about how to actually make the ask.
Here's the formula. Figure out your absolute max price, then knock 15% off. That's your target.
And this is exactly what you say. It gives them a number, but also says you're willing to talk.
So what if there's still a gap? Don't just argue. Here are the smart levers you can pull.
Remember that fabric cost? Even a small change here makes a huge difference. Always start with this one.
Ask them, what's the hardest part to make? Simplifying that can cut down on labor costs.
This one's a classic. Can you order more? Bigger orders often mean a better price per piece.
Here's a great one. Ask about their slow season. They might give you a deal to keep machines running.
This is so important. It shows you what they can change and what they really can't.
And hey, we're not done. The price on the tag isn't the whole story. Let's talk payment.
Think of it like this. There's the unit price, when you pay, and who handles shipping. All are negotiable.
So what if they say they just can't do it?
That's not a failure. It's actually super useful info. Sometimes it's worth taking the price on order one to build trust. That can unlock big savings later.
So are you just buying one thing? Or are you building a partnership? That's the real question here.